In this video, you will learn how to hide sheets in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have opened a workbook of Microsoft Excel and it contains different worksheets. So in this tutorial, you will learn how to hide single sheet as well as how to hide multiple sheets. In last part of video, you will learn very hide of these sheets for extra protection of your data. So let's start this tutorial. Firstly, open the sheet. For example, I want to hide this superscript 4 sheet. So I have to open that sheet by clicking on it. You can see here I have clicked on it and it is open now. Now I will right click. And here you will find the option of hide. If you click on this sheet will be hidden. Click on it. Now you can see here this sheet is hidden now. In next video you will learn how to unhide this sheet. So in next part of video we will learn how to hide multiple sheets. For example, I want to hide hours worked as well as hours worked too. So firstly I will select this one, hold down Control key and again select other sheet. Now you can see here I have selected both these sheets. Hold down Control key and right click. Now you will find the option of hide. Click on this and both these sheets are hidden now. Now you will learn how to very hide this sheet. For example, I want to very hide format date. I have opened this sheet. I will right click here and here you will find the option of view code. Click on this. A pop-up window will be appeared. From here I will select that sheet. That sheet name was format date. So I will select format date from here. This is the sheet format date. I have selected this one. After selecting this sheet, now I will go to this visible option and if I click here, you can see a small arrow. Click on it and from here I will select very hide. After doing that, I will close this one and again close this one. From here you can see here that particular worksheet is disappeared or hidden. So this gives you extra protection for your data. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.